Friends, Huawei Y9A comes with Android 10, EMUI 10.1, but there is no Google Play services, and powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 2.2 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G52MC2. Whereas Vivo X50 Pro runs Android 10, FunTouch 10.5 and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor with 2.4 GHz octa-core with GPU Adreno 620. If you see the display of this device, you can find 6.63 inches screen size with IPS LCD display that comes with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 397 ppi pixels density. Whereas Vivo X50 Pro is 6.56 inches device with the AMOLED display having resolution 2376 by 1080 pixels with 398 ppi pixels density and comes with HDR10 plus screen protection. Talking about the internal memory, then Huawei Y9A is available in 128GB with 6 or 8GB RAM and also supports up to 256GB nano shared memory. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in space silver, sakura pink and midnight black colors. Moving on to Vivo X50 Pro, it is available in two variants of primary storage. One is available in 256GB while the other variant is available in 128GB, but both the variants comes with 8GB RAM. But there is no external memory support in this device. Friends, as far as concerned about colors for this device, then it is produced in dark blue and light blue colors. If we talk about the dimension of Huawei Y9A, it measures 163.5 by 76.5 by 9 mm of height, width, thickness and 197 grams of weight with a dual nano SIM support. Whereas a Vivo X50 Pro measures 158.5 by 72.8 by 8 mm of height, width, thickness and 181.5 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Huawei Y9A comes with quad camera setup that is 64, 8, 2 and 2 megapixels with 1.8, 2.4, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures respectively with wide angle, ultra wide angle, macro and depth sensor. It shoots out videos of 4K and full HD at 30 frames per second and also equipped with motorized selfie camera of 16 megapixels with 2.2 aperture wide angle and that can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Vivo X50 Pro, it comes with quad camera setup that is available in 48 plus 8 plus 13 plus 8 megapixels with wide periscope telephoto with PDAF, optical image stabilization, 5x and 2x optical zoom for 8 and 13 megapixels cameras, dual LED dual tone flash, HDR and panorama mode. It shoots out videos up to 4K at 30 frames per second with gyro EIS and also equipped with 32 megapixels wide secondary camera that comes with 2.5 aperture and can record the video at 1080 pixels with 30 frames per second. Friends, in Huawei Y9A you can find side mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like proximity, compass, accelerometer and a gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, dual band GPS, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go and fast battery charging. This phone is powered by non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Vivo X50 Pro you can find under display optical fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like proximity, color spectrum, gyroscope, compass and accelerometer. From the connectivity side, this phone comes with Wi-Fi dual band, hotspot, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi direct, NFC, GPS, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go, fast battery charging at 33 watts that can charge the device 57% in 30 minutes. This phone is powered by non-removable 4315 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.